Do you want to create vast mountain ranges in the distance, or maybe a cratered hill in the plains, or even a foothill landscape in Gaea? Then stay with us. Hello, friends. In this episode, we're going to explore the second tab in Gaea, which is terrains. The first node is Canyon, which generates a valley formation for us. As you can see, with features like scale, slot for adjusting the crack depth, valley for controlling the size of the canyon, and other options such as widening the gap. This node gives us a huge variety of possibilities for creating valleys. The next node is Craterfield. As you can see, it generates a surface full of craters, similar to the surface of the moon or a stylized sci-fi terrain, and every detail can be fully controlled. The DuneSea node. The DuneSea node in Gaea is designed to generate large desert dune fields with high control and realism. Unlike the basic Dunes node, which focuses on smaller and more regular patterns, DuneSea creates vast, natural dune landscapes that stretch across the terrain. As you can see, you can adjust the scale and also generate it in 4 different modes. In addition, you can control the intensity, direction, softness, or sharpness of the effect. The MountainRange node. The MountainRange node in Gaea is designed to generate large-scale mountain chains and ranges with realistic geological formations. It provides a fast way to create a natural foundation for landscapes that need prominent, rugged mountain. As you can see, you can increase its scale and height, and it also comes with 4 different styles. For example, if you add a node like erosion to it, you'll end up with much better detail. The plates node. The plates node in Gaea simulates tectonic plate movements to generate massive geological structures. Instead of small-scale terrain details, plates focuses on creating large continental features such as ridges, fractures, and plateaus. As mentioned before, it can generate surfaces that look completely fractured, stretched, or slightly altered in certain areas, giving us this unique feature. The ridge node. The ridge node in Gaea is used to create sharp ridge lines and mountainous crests across your terrain. Unlike broad generators such as MountainRange, the ridge node focuses on producing long, narrow, elevated features that resemble mountain spines or sharp geological formations. The rugged node. The rugged node in Gaea is designed to create rough, uneven terrains with broken surfaces and irregular patterns. Unlike smoother nodes, such as hills or valley, rugged focuses on adding harsh details and natural randomness to your landscapes. For example, if we combine it with the canyon node, we'll get much rougher and more dramatic rock formations. The Uplift node in Gaea simulates tectonic uplift, the geological process where sections of the Earth's crust are pushed upward. This creates dramatic terrain formations such as young mountain ranges, tilted plateaus, and uplifted ridges. Crater node is the best tool for creating meteorite or volcanic craters and is very suitable for space, fantasy projects, or even realistic environments, such as simulating the surface of the Moon and Mars. As you can see, you can scale it up or down, increase or decrease the height, and even move it along the X and Y axis. Now, imagine you want to create a massive hill in nature with a large hole in it. The best way to do this is by adding a radial gradient node. If you're not familiar with this node, I invite you to check out Episode 1 of the Gaea tutorials. The next node is Island. It randomly generates a series of elevations that look like islands. But personally, if I want to use it, I'd add nodes like Blur or Voronoi to make it look more natural. The next node is Mountain. This is one of my personal favorites because it quickly generates a massive mountain range, and with its different modes, it can add a lot of variety to your work. If you enjoyed this video, please support us. Don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment below. Your feedback really helps the channel grow, and it motivates us to keep creating more tutorials for you. The X and Y options can be very useful. For example, if you want to place a mountain range in the distance of your landscape, you can simply use this node. You can even duplicate it and combine them together for more variety. The next node is Mountainside. This node can generate foothill-like formations, and with options like sandy or rocky styles, it can be very useful for shaping natural-looking landscapes. Imagine placing a village at the base of a foothill or presenting a villa within the landscape. This node gives you one of the easiest ways to quickly create a believable environment. The next exciting node is Volcano. This node can generate not only mountains, but also hills, or even recreate the same kind of crater we built earlier, but this time with much more detail. If you enjoyed this video, please support us. Don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment below. Your feedback really helps the channel grow, and it motivates us to keep creating more tutorials for you.